evening, night, people. Whenever you're watching this video, I appreciate you for tuning in. For all my returning subscribers, you know what I'm saying, like the video, bro. I appreciate y'all so much. For new people who's new to the channel, you know what I'm saying, if you like what you like the video, if you want to see more, subscribe to the channel, hit post notifications for more videos. If not, you just here just to criticize my nigga, get off the video, cuz I ain't trying to hear it. You know what I'm saying? Now back to the regular scheduled program. So as the title of the video says, we finally getting a subwoofer installed inside of the Camry. Now currently I'm sitting in my work van, you know what I'm saying? I already had everything prepared. I was making this video walking to the car, but I ain't like the lighting, I don't like how I look. So I said scratch it, I'll make it over, you feel me? As I said, yeah, as the title of the video says, we adding a subwoofer to the car. Now, originally, this subwoofer should have been in the Altima, but I traded it in, right? And now I ain't a music guy, you feel me? I don't know nothing about audios, I don't know none of that. My boy Pops is like, yo, since you have some subwoofers, I had like 3 of them. I gave one away. I currently got 2, and I made one into a single box, you know what I mean? So we're gonna add that to the Camry. And he was like, yo, I can give you a nice little setup, something nice, nothing crazy, you know what I mean? Like a good, what, $1,500, $1,600 setup? No, I'm lying, it didn't even come to me. Like $1,200, $1,200, like a nice little setup, nothing crazy, you feel me? Ain't that too expensive, right? So I'm like, all right, just send me whatever you want me to get, and I'll buy it, you know what I mean? So everything is already here. My car is currently at my boy's Pop's crib. Like, I picked him up, I came to work, and then I left my car with him. So I'm currently carless for the day. So I don't know how it's gonna be, but I do know my boy Pops is making me a custom backdash. Like, he makes a couple of 6.5s. I think it's DS18s. Put some DS18s with some tweeters on the back, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, that's what we're gonna have in the backdash. It's custom backdash he made. Or custom boxes to put on the backdash. Yeah, that made more sense, whatever. He made some of those. We about to put those on the back dash, and then we're gonna have the 12-inch kicker subwoofer in the trunk. Now, I don't know how it's gonna look. I know it's gonna sound good because he know what he's doing. So you know what I'm saying, I trust him. The thing is, I'm a little nervous, bro, because I'm like, damn, I ain't never had audios in my car. You know what I'm saying? And as I don't know how to explain to y'all like what all the things I have, but I'm gonna do my best, and I'm gonna leave everything in the description of what I have in the car. So I mean, if you want a cheap little setup, it's not nothing cheap, but if you want like a nice, decent setup to run around with your car, drive around for your enjoyment, I'll leave it in the description. You know, that's the least I can do. I mean, the weather's getting nicer. It's kind of chilly out today, but the weather's getting nicer, so a lot more things be getting done to the car. I do want to get the rims. I still have the coilovers at home sitting in my room, bro. So I got all these things to do. It's just the weather and the time and money. You know what I'm saying? Shit ain't cheap. Especially the rims, shit ain't cheap. So with all that being said, you know what I'm saying, be patient with me. After work, we're going to see what the car is looking like and sounding like. I won't go too much depth into the sound. I'll probably play a little bit of song, and then we're going to make a separate video going over everything that was done with the audio, you feel me? How much amps I'm running and all that, you know what I mean? So yeah, we gonna see you when the car is done, my boy. We out. So currently we at my boy's Pop's crib. You know what I'm saying? All the toys out today, all the nice things, cars under construction, you feel me? Cars definitely under construction.
We have them in our warehouse, them black,
What's good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel on another good day. It's a beautiful day today. We got some good news and some good news, you know what I mean? So the oil got changed. The filter was not on tight, you feel me? So it was leaking and it wanted to change. And I guess the oil wanted to be changed too, because whoever did the oil change before, bro, they kind of like, you know what I'm saying, fucked it up. But nevertheless, we changed the oil yesterday. The system is done. It sounds beautiful. Like, I'm about to pull up to a good spot so y'all can hear it. But for the most part, bro, it sounds good. It's a decent sound. It ain't nothing crazy, you know what I'm saying? Ain't no extravagant shit with the money I spent on it. But I'm gonna make a separate video telling exactly what I got and the price that I paid and where you can get them. But for right now, this is what we rocking with the sound, right? I'm gonna upgrade the 12-inch in the back to a better speaker, and I'm gonna change out the doors from the factory speakers to something better, you know what I mean? So we about to head to the spot right now so y'all can give y'all a quick preview of how it's sounding, and I'm gonna talk to y'all after that. You feel me? We out. All right, y'all. So boom, 12-inch speaker installed. Currently got a scissors jack holding up. The way I wanted to clamp it down to the trunk, it wasn't gonna do right, so we had the scissors jack holding up for right now. It does not move. I promise when I tell you, it does not move. We got a pipe inside of the box to let air out so it's a better flow, you know what I mean? Got a fire extinguisher for safety reasons. Yeah, I mean, it's a lot of wiring, so why not have it, right? I want to give y'all a preview. We got an amp right there. We got another amp beside that, running 2 amps setup. I wanted to give y'all a preview, but I record my phone, so I can't give y'all a preview. But what I'm gonna do is, right, do me a favor and I'll bless y'all. When I tell you this sounds amazing, bro, it really does. We got a custom back dash also. Let me show y'all everything. We got a custom back dash right there, you know what I'm saying? And then we got the tweeters on the side. Boom, we got one over there. So what I'm gonna do is, in my next video, let me turn around and talk to y'all. So in my next video, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have my boy pull up with me, right? When I'm revealing how much I spent on everything and all the parts and all that, I'm gonna have it in the description of the next video, not this video. So do me a favor, give me 3 likes and I got y'all for sure. I mean, I was gonna do it regardless, but let me get 3 likes, man. Show me y'all some love and support, right? And I got y'all with a preview and everything that I put inside of the car and the cost of it. I'm gonna have my boy play his music so we can go through the bass, no bass, voice, and all that extra stuff, all right? I'm gonna let y'all hear how it sounds. The car really sounding good. So let me get 3 likes, bro. Until next video, I'm out of here.
I just like the sound.